How to enable and use Google Chat in Gmail app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch a Gmail application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll and tap on the settings application or the feature at the bottom of the screen. Here, select the preferred Gmail account that you want to enable Google Chat for. Now scroll down and here under the general section, you can see the option of chat. So just toggle on this option and this will show the chat tab on your Gmail. Now, as you do that, you can see the chat tab at the bottom of the screen. So tap on the chat tab, and as you tap on the tab of over here, all you need to do is just tap on the search and you just have to add someone you would want to chat with. So you can just mention the email ID over here. So I'm going to mention one of these over here, and as you do that, here you can just start a conversation over here, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.